Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Master Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to log into Instagram without verification code. So to do this, you just need to open your Instagram and go directly to your profile. And after that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And after that, go to the first option, Account Center. Scroll down and go check Accounts. And after that, you need to add the account that you want to log in to it without verification code to your accounts in the Account Center. And to add it to your accounts, you just need to click on Add Account. And after that, select it and click on Continue. And after that, click Allow and finish adding. And like that, in the future, when you want to log into that account without a verification code, you need only to open your Facebook account and log in with Facebook, and your Instagram account will be directly open without the need to any verification code. For example, all these Instagram accounts will open in an automatic way when I open my personal Facebook account. And also there is another solution if you, for example, you already need to open your account now, or your account is closed and you need to open it without verification code. In that case, you can use trusted device, a device that you used your Instagram account on it for a long period, and just log in on it, and like that you can use this device as trusted device. And you can also have backup codes. You can take those backup codes after log in to your account and use them to bypass the verification. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.